I am making a nougat candy. And I think this time I'm just going to cut my parchment to fit my white chocolate chips, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of butter, and we're going to microwave this in 30-second increments until it gets melted. Make sure you stir in between each time so that your chocolate doesn't get too hot. Get in there. Now, white chocolate will seize on you, so you don't want to overcook it. See how it's getting kind of thick there. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and add my marshmallow cream. Oh my goodness, give me a thumbs up if you guys love marshmallow cream. It's like one of the best food inventions ever. 100 years old, so delicious. Also, it's dairy free for those of you wondering. All right, then you're going to want 2/3 of a cup of whatever type of whatever types of fruits and nuts you want. So I'm doing almonds, cranberries, and pistachios for that traditional Christmas nougat. Oh my goodness, yum. Doesn't that look delicious? Okay, now we're gonna get this all mixed up. And you will start to notice that it starts getting firm. Just don't give up. Keep mixing. Just keep mixing away. Just keep mixing, just keep mixing, just keep mixing. Just think of Dory making candy. Just envision if you were Dory making candy. Okay, make sure you get down to the bottom so it gets all mixed in. See that? Oh, yum, yum, double yum. White chocolate does not melt and isn't as easy to work with as regular chocolate. But man, it is so yummy. All right. Thank you for watching our entire video. We're going to give you our Dining on a Dime cookbook ebook, volume number 1, free at livingonadime.com. Click on our shop, click on our ebooks, click on Dining on a Dime Volume 1, add it to your cart. When you go to checkout, use the coupon code DINING1 and you will get our ebook absolutely free with no obligation and no strings attached. Visit us at livingonadime.com. Now we're going to spray our fingers so it doesn't stick to our fingers. Too bad. I mean, it's still going to stick, just not as bad as it could without it. Evenly put into our 8x8 inch pan. All the edges even. Okay, and then we're just going to let this cool at room temperature until it's firmed up. And then we will cut it. You can put this in the refrigerator if you want. I just don't have room in my fridge right now. Okay, oops. Well, I guess you just gotta get all the sides there. Okay, so here's what happens when you don't get some of the white chocolate mixed in, but that won't hurt anything. Ooh, wow, it smells really good.
What kind of stuff is in it?
Pistachios, almonds, and cranberries.
These are behind each other.
Well, actually, I probably should have. Ooh. Well, that looks good.
Yeah.
Do you like pistachios? You don't like pistachios, though, do you?
I think I do.
You do?
I didn't think I did, but now I think I do.
Do you want to test it and see, or do you want me to test it?
I want
Want
to
me to test it? Oh, okay, that is really good. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness, my mouth is singing with flavors. Okay, that's really good. You want to try it?
Yeah.
Man.
Keep in mind, folks, we don't know if Mike likes pistachios or not.
But I love white chocolate, so that's why. Wow. Okay, this is one of my new favorite ones. This is moving to the top of the list.
This is really good.
What does Jack think?
Pretty good.
Is your tongue singing with delight? All right, this one's definitely a keeper.
Yes, it's really good. And you know what? The one with the dots is pretty fun too. But this must be the high dollar one for a good price, because if you had to pay for something with these ingredients, they would charge you a whole lot more. Yeah.
So the amount of ingredients for this was 3 for about $5 or $6. And if I were to buy this amount of fudge at the store, it would have been at least $15 to $20. Mm.